Assalamu alaikum students, grade 5. Today we are continuing our previous chapter, the mystery of Nazca lines. As I told you about the pilot who flew over the Nazca desert and found some exciting sort of lines and different geometrical shape. After that, he called his friend uh, who was living in Lima, the capital of Peru, and they came from the city and began to fly around the desert. Every day they found more and more strange lines and shapes. After some time, the news of Nazca lines were spread all over, and many archaeologists have since studied the line. Among the most famous was the Marie Rieger. She was German-born mathematician and archaeologist. She was living in Peru, and when she heard about the Nazca line, she started around 1946. She began to make maps of the figure on the ground. As a young girl, she devoted her life, her energy, and even her money for to save these lines. She asked government to make it a national heritage and stop the development of the area and control the people so they could not visit over here, and spending much of her own money in this effort. She became very well known in Peru, and local people call her the Lady of Lines. Maria Ricci believed that the line were type of sun calendar, but different people have different ideas. Some people had more amazing ideas. One actually thought that they were proof that aliens from the another planet had visited Earth, and the pattern of Nazca were a sort of guide or map for them. Some others suggested the lines were a memorial of a great flood. Some people considered that it was a place of religious importance. More recently, many people were survived when a new pattern was found on the side of a mountain, and it was the shape of a man who seems to be looking up at the sky and waving. This was discovered by the astronauts taking photographs of the Earth from space. Scientists have determined that the Nazca lines were built over a long period from 500 to 400 before Christ. Today, the whole area covered by the lines is a World Heritage Site declared by UNESCO in 1995, and the government of Peru is its official protector. No one is allowed to drive a car near the site, and people can only walk there with guides. After that, let's do the comprehension. Let's do the comprehension, and this one is now the first one. Exercise A is write the correct statement number next to each picture. A pilot discovered huge patterns on the floor of Nazca Desert in Peru. UNESCO declared the area covered by Nazca lines to be a World Heritage Site. This was the period when the Nazca lines were likely to be built. Maria Ricci was determined to preserve the Nazca lines. And now you people can see 4 pictures and the air. So we have to match the picture with the statement. 500 to 400 before Christ, and this was the period when the Nazca lines were likely to be built. So we will write 3 inside the box. Now the second one, we can see a plane and a pilot is flying over the Nazca line, and this was in 1920. A pilot discovered huge patterns on the floor of Nazca Desert in Peru, so we will write number 1. After that, you can see the Marie Ricci, she is making photographs and making the figures of making the photographic survey and making figure of these Nazca these lines. So it is the Marie Ricci was determined to preserve the Nazca Line in 1946, so it's the fourth one. In 1995, the UNESCO declared the area covered by the Nazca Lines to be a World Heritage Site. Now, after that, we have this one, that is page number 36. First discovery of the Nazca Line, time period is 1920, country is Peru. Pilots, people involved are pilot methods, flying, estimated site 450 square kilometer. Examples of shapes found are highway, monkey, dogs, birds. Now the second one is time period 1946, country Peru. People involved Maria Ricci and Peruvian Air Force. Method, making maps of figure on the ground. Estimated size, that is also almost 450,000 kilometer. Examples of shape found, sun calendar, guide for alien. Time period 1995, country Peru. People involved are UNESCO astronauts and the Peruvian government. Method, taking photograph of the earth from the space. Estimated size, now it's the same for 50 square kilometer. And examples are shapes found is man looking the sky and waving. That's all. Next time we will do the words meaning and comprehend question answers of this chapter. Thank you everyone. Allah Hafiz.